What's up? Whoa, there I am. What's up, guys? Back at it with another video. Little unexpected DIY for you today. I got home, aired out, and as soon as I did that, my module that controls the 3P system turned off. Luckily, due to quick diagnosage, thanks to my buddy Davis, we figured out it's just a fuse. So we're on our way to go get that replaced and throw that back in, and then we'll catch up with you guys for more stuff. See you soon. This is the culprit. Gotta get a new, well, it says 30 if you'd ever focus, but 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 15, 25, 30. I think that's it. Davis's new exhaust tip. Right here. Yeah, what about this?
Or Diesel Life.
Diesel. Oh, dude, get you a little mini tip, bro.
My question is, what the fuck was?
All right, got the fuses.
Mission success.
Mission success. Now we gotta go install it, and then we're gonna go wash the cars down yonder and get ready for clean culture. Yeah. Alrighty guys, got the fuses. As you can see, car is on, and normally, there's power running, but this thing is not on at all. So what we're gonna do is pop the trunk, come back here. I've already got the trunk, it's a mess right now. What you wanna do, guys, is pop this open, take your fuse. This one goes right into here. I'm just gonna pop that in. I'm retarded and I didn't disconnect the battery, so hopefully I didn't just blow that, but you can hear it's on and we should be good to go. Eureka! We good?
We are good.
Nice. All right guys, so a little surprise here. My boy Lewis over at European Society Motorsports hooked me up with a little something, and I'm about to unbox this for you and show you what it is. It's a little something I wanted to do definitely before clean culture, and as you guys know, I'm trying to get ready and prep for this, so let's unbox it. Only A1 delivery from European Society Motorsports. This is gonna be very difficult to unwrap. I think you guys can already tell what it is. Alrighty, a little sneak peek. You can bring it in. Oh yeah.
That carbon.
If you guys can't already tell, it's an M4 style carbon fiber lip, and officially the first carbon fiber that's going to be going on this mineral F30. Damn, bro. Thank you, Lewis. Dude, you're the man. I greatly appreciate you sending that stuff out. I told Lewis, I said, listen, I really want this part, and I really want it for clean culture on Saturday, and it was Tuesday when I said this. My man got it out here so fast, and oh, I'm impressed. Lewis, this is dope. Carbon, everything, and he hooked me up with some tape. So what is next is we got to do a quick little interior detail on this Volkswagen, make it look all pretty. I think we're just going to try and double task it. So Davis is going to be working on the Volkswagen. I'm going to try and show you guys how to remove a trunk lip, because as you know, I already have one that's painted mineral gray. We're going to take that off, throw on the new one, and I'll show you guys how to do it. Step one for removing the trunk lip is going to be to heat it up. Doing so, you either want to do it in the hot sun or use a lovely hot pink hair dryer, thank you girlfriend, or a heat gun, but just make sure you're not too close to it because you don't want to burn the paint or anything like that. But you really just want it to heat it up enough so you can, as you can see, I started it already, just to lift it up and loosen up the adhesive underneath. And then outside of that, get yourself some dental floss. So you want to start by heating up the lip as much as you can. take your floss, wrap it around your fingers like so, and you just kind of want to work it in there. Of course, it breaks a lot of the time, so even better to use is if you have any fishing line. Fishing line works great. Floss is okay. Thank you to my lovely assistant. We are getting this thing off here, about almost all the way. Almost. Bam! So whoever wants to buy 3/4 of a mineral gray piece of shit, free 99. Next step, remove all this tape and adhesive and clean it all up and prep it for the new one. Almost done. So once you have all your tape off and it's pretty much bare paint, you just want to go through with some rubbing alcohol and get all this residue off to the best of your ability, because the cleaner it is, the better the new one is going to stick. So try and clean that up. So tape is on there, double mounted, or I should say double-sided tape. You just definitely want to put enough on there so you don't have to worry about it coming off or flaking off eventually. But to do the mount, you want to take each piece and just kind of pull it off a little bit so you have something to grab onto. And then you just want to pull it down like that. And I'll show you before I do the rest of it, just as an example. But as you can see, it sticks out. So once you get it where you want to, then you just pull it all off and it's stuck. I've flaked off each part so that way I have something to grab onto. So the next step is to line it up and make sure you're centered. And to do that, I just kind of freehand it, but I put my fingers on the edge so I can feel where the edge of the trunk is. And just like test fit it. Don't be afraid to have to like look at it first. And notice how much space is on each side. So it's about a couple millimeters. That's pretty close actually. See this thing? Yeah, I'm actually gonna stick it right there. Next step, you just want to pull all these off. Try to do so without ripping it. Boom. Pull this one. Last step, guys. Push down super hard. Make sure it adheres on there really nice. That's how you do an elevated trunk. Lip install.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extra, extraordinary.
Now car's ready to go. That's pretty much 99% of the prep for the show, so I will hopefully see the rest of you guys at Clean Culture / Boston Banger on Saturday, 2 p.m. Topsfield, Mass. Be there, and if you do come through, make sure you say hello and I'll show you the F30 and can talk car stuff or whatever. But thank you again, guys, for watching. I will get some good coverage of the show. Be sure to upload that soon. As always, thank you for subscribing, thank you for liking, thank you for commenting and letting me know your thoughts. I will see you next time. Later.